Welcome to Neurolink meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. And as you settle into this space, you can begin to notice the gentle rhythm of your own breathing. In and out. There's no need to change it or force it. Simply allow it to be as it is. And with each exhale, you can feel a subtle release, a letting go of the day's tensions, the mental lists, the weight of expectations. You are creating a sanctuary within yourself, a quiet space where transformation can begin. Perhaps you came here seeking a spark, a deeper connection to your own drive, a wellspring of energy that feels uniquely yours. And it's perfectly okay to acknowledge whatever state you're in right now. You might feel a sense of waiting or a gentle curiosity. You might even feel a distance from that feeling of motivation, and that's all right. We begin exactly where we are. Because your mind already knows how to access powerful states. It holds the memory of every time you felt truly driven, completely focused, alive with purpose. We're simply going to remember together. So, let's begin by pacing your current experience. Notice the feeling of the surface beneath you, the weight of your body being fully supported. Listen to the quiet sounds around you, or the silence between them. And become aware of the temperature of the air as it enters your nostrils and leaves. There is nowhere you need to be, nothing you need to do, except follow the sound of my voice. And as you listen, your conscious mind can relax, like a soft focus settling over your thoughts. In their subconscious mind, that deep, intelligent part of you that governs your habits, your instincts, your inner power can come forward. It can listen and absorb and begin to make new connections. With every exhale, you go a little deeper into a state of receptive calm. God, I invite you now to recall a specific moment in your life when you felt a powerful, natural motivation. It doesn't have to be a huge event. It could be a time you were so absorbed in a project, you lost track of time. At a moment, you decided to take action and felt a surge of certainty. A time you felt a clear, strong yes rise up from within you. Choose one memory now. Step back into that memory. See what you saw then. Hear the sounds that were present. And most importantly, reconnect with the feeling in your body, that sensation of drive. It might be a warmth in your chest, a lightness in your step, a focused intensity behind your eyes, a buzzing, alive energy in your hands. Locate that feeling now. Moment. Good. And as you feel that peak of motivated energy, I want you to make a unique physical signal. Gently press your thumb and forefinger together on your right hand. To it now, as you feel that powerful state fully, we will build upon this. Let's access another resource. Remember a time you felt unwavering perseverance, when you kept going even though it was challenging, and eased that steadfast strength in your body, the solid ground of your resolve. Oh, and as you feel it strongly, activate your anchor again. Press thumb and forefinger together. Feel that vitality coursing through you, a radiant, renewable power. Feel it now and press your anchor, fusing this vibrant energy with your drive and your perseverance, creating a triple strength resource within your nervous system. Release the anchor and return fully to your breath, creating a triple strength resource within your nervous system. Release the anchor and return fully to your breath. I feel it now, and press your anchor, you fusing this vibrant energy with your drive and your perseverance, creating a triple strength resource within your nervous system. Release the anchor and return fully to your breath. Now, from this deeply resourceful and receptive space, your subconscious mind is ready to integrate new, powerful affirmations. These are not just words, but neural commands, statements of truth that your being recognizes and aligns with. Listen and allow them to be true for you. With every breath I take, I am connected to an endless source of inner drive. I welcome challenges as fuel for my growth. Every step I take, no matter how small, builds unstoppable momentum. My willpower is strong, resilient, and renews itself with every success. I am deeply motivated by my own vision and my own standards. My fire in my belly is my own, and it burns with a clean, steady flame. My energy is mine to direct, and I direct it towards my highest goals. My energy is mine to bury to direct. Home is cast coming to direct. I start projects with enthusiasm and complete them with integrity. My energy is mine to direct, and I direct it towards my highest goals. I feel a surge of positive anticipation when I think of my goals. My body is eager to move, to create, to build. Okay, I am aligned with a powerful, productive rhythm. My inner drive is my greatest ally. and I listen to its whispers. I am disciplined because I am devoted to my own becoming. Niet house vrouw without which tasks transform into my object. He possessed A's. My motivation is self-sustaining. The more I achieve, the more I want to achieve. I break through barriers with focused determination and grace. I possess a deep well of stamina for what matters to me. Every morning, I wake up with a sense of direction and eager energy. My mind generates creative solutions, and my body executes them with precision. My inner is a familiar and frequent friend. My inner drive is rooted in self-respect and blossoms into external results. I release all need for external validation. My own satisfaction is my compass. I move through my day with a quiet, unshakable confidence in my ability to act. My energy is contagious in the most positive way, inspiring myself and others. I am building a legacy of action, one focused step at a time. Rest is a strategic part of my drive, renewing me for greater accomplishments. I now activate my anchor and feel all these qualities magnify. Feel the motivated energy. Feel the steadfast perseverance. I release the anchor, carrying this fused resource with you. It's as if a new circuit has been completed in your nervous system. A pathway for motivated action that gets stronger every time you use it. And you might be curious now. Gently begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body. Notice the support beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes slightly. Feel the air on your skin. You carry this awakened state of drive and focus with you as you return. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now. Beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again, in stillness